man. Anyway, I'm up here at the right at about 35 or 36 degrees. Most of the time there's water in there just to test. I leave my trailer here at the camp, and see, I'm still using about 40 watts to keep right now because the sun's going down. It would simulate what it would be like to in the neighborhood of 67, 200 using the draw off of it today. C and DC refrigerator. I can hook it up to 110 current. Kind of being a freezer. This is a real refrigerator. It's not just a